Next, of course, guys, master marketing. Sure, Mayon, ang marketing ginagawa natin pag nag-negosyo. Pag naging desisyon natin sa buhay ang magiging empleyado nila kasi hindi natin kayo kasi confident or hindi natin kayo kasi dapat, hindi ka risk taker na tulad nyo. Paano naman i-apply yan? Guys, when I say master marketing, it's not marketing as you know it. It's not natin marketing. You simply make people know more about you, respect you, praise you, and look up to you. In the corporate world, how are you going to make people know more about you? By contributing a lot to the company. By doing your best and doing your best very well. And by getting the attention of your future bosses. Pag napasin ka ng mga boss mo at na-impress sila at natutuwa sila sa'yo, when they go up, you go up with them. You get promoted. And that's how people get promoted very fast. Do you understand what I mean? Yes. How do you make people respect you? By doing something in a nice way. By doing everything in the right way. How are people gonna praise you, guys? Pag sikat ka at iginagalap ka, automatic na yan, tukuyin ka ng tao. Because mabuti ng tao at inspirasyon ka sa maraming kabataan or fellow professionals. So, are we clear with that? So, when you become professionals, simply impress your boss. Okay, kung sinabi ko impress your boss, hindi ko sinabi ko mag-sip-sip. Personally, ayoko na mag-sip-sip. That's also one of the reasons why I left employment. Ayoko na pakalimutan ako ng mga negative, hindi ko na mag-sip-sip. Okay? Hindi nyo kailangan sip-sip para umaga at ma-promote. Okay, yun naging professional staff. Kailangan nyo na mag-impress in ways like doing your best and contributing everything you could with your best knowledge and efforts to the company. Alright, next. So guys, ito ang personal principle ko na nagdala sa akin kung saan ako ngayon. Can everybody please read that? Don't compete with the competition. Make your competition compete with you. So what does that mean? Yun na, promote yourself. Make them know more about you. Make them respect you. Make them praise you. Make them look up to you. At always be the first one to do something. Kaya guys, sino mga creative people dito? Sino mga creative people dito? Raise your hands. Wala creative na sumulong yan? Lahat tayo creative, di ba? Yan. Pag meron kayo maisip na unique na bagay, gawin mo na yan ngayon. Why? Huwag mo hayaan na i-delay mo ang creative idea mo only to find out na ibang tao na unahan kang i-implement or i-apply ang idea ang ikaw ang unang nakaisip. Do you guys get what I mean? Okay, since we're halfway through our presentation, I want to check on everyone. Just make sure everybody is still listening with me. Okay, are you guys still with me? Yes. Are you still with me? Yes. People at the back, are you still with me? Yes. Great.